Hello students, today I will go with class 8th, subject is maths. As you know, we were on exercise 2.2. We were doing multiplication of rational numbers. We have done commutative and associative property of multiplication. Exercise 2.2 question number 1, 2 and 3 I already explained, and this work you have to do on the book only. Then next is question number 4, verify the commutative property, that is A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Then first part is A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Let me solve one example for you. Others you will try by yourself. Question number 4. We need to verify A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A, means we can multiply two rational number in any order. So here A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Let us take left hand side, that is A multiplied by B is equal to, here A is 2, so we will write 2 first, then B is minus 3 upon 5, here write 2 upon 1, 3 2s are 6, then this is positive, this is negative, positive, negative, negative, upon 5 1s are 5. Right hand side B multiplied by A. Now B write first, minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by A is 2. We can write 2 upon 1. So minus 3 multiplied by 2, minus 6, 5 1s are 5. Here we can see that these two sides are equal. So we will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A is verified. I think this question is clear to you. Then other parts, part 2, 3 and 4 is same. You will try by yourself. Then question number 5, verify A multiplied by B multiplied by C, then A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So first part is A is equal to 7 upon 5, B is equal to minus 9 upon 4, C is equal to 1 upon 2. So this property is known as associative property of multiplication for rational numbers. First we will take left hand side. Left hand side is A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So A is 7 upon 5, B is minus 9 upon 4, then C is 1 upon 2. So 7 upon 5, these two are in bracket, so we will solve it first. So minus 9 multiplied by 1, minus 9, then 4 2s are 8. Then answer will be multiplied to the first rational number. So its answer is 7 9s are 63, plus minus minus 8 5s are 40. Similarly, we will solve right hand side, that is A multiplied by B multiplied by C. It means firstly we will multiply the values of A and B, then we will multiply by C. Answer will be multiplied by C. So A value is 7 upon 5, B is minus 9 upon 4, these two are in bracket, then 1 upon 2. Multiply this first, 9 7s are 63, here is negative, so negative sign, 5 4s are 20. Then multiply by 1 upon 2. So here minus 63 multiply by 1, minus 63, 22s are 40. So if we will observe, now left hand side is equal to right hand side, both answers are same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence A multiply by B multiply by C is equal to A multiply by B then with C is verified. I think concept is clear to you. So other parts, part number 2, 3, 4, you will try by yourself. Method is same. Then question number 6, verify the property that is A multiply by, this is question number 6, A multiply by B plus C is equal to, firstly we will multiply A with B, then plus sign is here, so A then multiply by C. This is known as distribution property of multiplication over addition. So let us do first part. So first part is A is equal to 1 upon 3, B is equal to 0, C is equal to minus 7 upon 6. So let us take left hand side. Left hand side is A multiply by B plus C. Now A is 1 upon 3, B is 0 plus C is minus 7 upon 6. Means in the bracket number we will solve these numbers firstly, then answer will be multiplied by 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3, now 0 is added to any number will give the same number. So here answer we can write directly minus 7 upon 6 because 0 plus A is equal to A. Multiply here, 1 7s are 7 with the negative sign, 6 3s are 80. Similarly we will solve right hand side. Right hand side is A multiply by B plus A multiply by C. So A is here 1 upon 3, B is 0 plus, now A is 1 upon 3 multiply C is minus 7 upon 6. Put the values here. Now solve it. So this is 1 upon 3 multiply by 0 is 0. Multiply this minus 1 with, 1 multiply by minus 7 is minus 7, 6 3s are 18. So 0 added to any number will give the same number, minus 7 upon 18. Now observe carefully, left hand side and right hand side answers are same. So we will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence distribution property over addition is proved. So hence A multiply by B plus C is equal to A multiply by B plus A multiply by C is verified. Concept is clear to you, I think. Similarly, question number 7. Here we need to verify the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. It is same like this question, but only subtraction sign is here. So A multiply by B minus C is equal to A multiply by B minus A multiply by C. So values A is equal to 1 upon 2, B is equal to minus 3 upon 4, C is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So firstly we will take this side, that is left hand side. left hand side is equal to a multiplied by b minus c. So a value is 1 upon 2, b is minus 3 upon 4, minus c value is minus 2 upon 3. So 1 upon 2, here subtraction is there. I already explained in the previous video how to solve these fractions. If the denominators are different, then take the LCM of 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Let us take 3. So 4. LCM is 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So we will make one line here. 12. Then 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Then these 3 will be multiplied by numerator. So 3 multiplied by minus 3. Then these two negative sign has come together. So minus minus plus. Then again 12 divided by this denominator 3. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 with the numerator. 1 upon 2. 3 multiplied by minus 3 gives minus 9, plus 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8 divided by 12. So 1 upon 2 minus plus minus means we will subtract this. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 is big, so answer will come in negative upon 12. Now multiply this. 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1, 2, 12s are 24. This is the value for left hand side. Now take right hand side, that is a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. So here a is 1 upon 2, b is minus 3 upon 4. So a is 1 upon 2 multiply c is minus 2 upon 3. Multiply this separately. 1 multiplied by minus 3 gives minus 3. 4 2s are 8. Next is minus sign. 1 multiplied by minus 2 gives minus 2. 3 2s are 6. So this negative will be positive. So minus 3 upon 8 plus 2 upon 6. Now we will add these two rational numbers. How we will solve? By taking LCM. Now take LCM of 8 and 6, divide with 2, then 4, here 3. So again with 2, here 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, 3, then 2, 1, 3, so divide by 3. So LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is equal to 24. Now draw the line. 24. Now 24 divided by 8 will give us 3. 3 will be multiplied by numerator. 3 multiplied by minus 3. Then plus sign. Now 24 divided by this denominator 6. So 24 divided by 6. 24 will come in 6 table. 6 4s are 24. So 4. Now this 4 will be multiplied by numerator. 4 multiplied by 2. So 3 multiply by 3, 9 with the negative sign. Minus 9 plus 4 2s are 8 upon 24. Again its answer will be same. Minus 1 upon 24. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence property is verified. Similarly you can do 8th question by yourself only. We will have to multiply, make the group first 2 numbers in one group, last 2 numbers in second group. I think concept is clear to you. All the answers are given in your assignment also. You can take help from the assignments from your notebook. So practice 2.2 for today at home. So do well. Thank you.